If you just started playing guitar, you've probably noticed there's a million accessories out there. But which ones do you really need? Hey guys, how's it going? Alex Scott here with JamPlay.com. Thanks so much for tuning in to another one of our JamPlay gear guides. In this video, we're going to talk all about guitar accessories, 5 important ones that every new guitar player should have, and why investing in quality matters. Now, before we get into the video itself, I just want to say if you enjoy this video or any of our other JamPlay videos, be sure to click that subscribe button, click that notification bell to be kept up to date with our new videos. And if you stay tuned to the end of this video, I'm going to tell you guys how to enter into a fantastic giveaway we're running over on JamPlay.com, and you can get your hands on 5 of these accessories for your very own guitar arsenal. So without further ado, let's go over the 5 most critical accessories that we can get as new guitarists. Now, starting with the basics, the first thing that we want to make sure that we have is a good quality strap. Now, this is my personal strap, and as you can see, it's a little bit beat up. However, it's beat up because I've used it for 10 years, touring all across the country as a professional bass player. This strap has seen me through literally thousands and thousands of shows, and while it may be a little bit dinged up, it's comfortable as all get out, and it works absolutely perfectly, and I have no worries about it supporting my bass every single night on stage. Now, why is that? That's because I invested in a good quality leather strap with a good width, and it was made with good durable materials. A strap is one of the most important things we can have in our arsenal, especially for electric players and anybody who finds themselves standing while playing frequently. Make sure that your strap is wide enough. Make sure that it's made out of, again, good quality materials so you know it's going to last for the long haul. You know, let's say you've gotten a real beginner guitar setup that came with a cheap little thin nylon strap in the box. The holes on the end that'll actually hold your guitar can definitely wear through, and you can actually end up dropping your guitar while playing it. It's just definitely something you don't want to cheap out on. Now, you don't have to go crazy and spend hundreds of dollars. A good quality strap shouldn't run you any more than 20 or 30. But again, durable, quality materials, and something that is nice and wide so it supports your instrument really, really well on your shoulder. Those are the things that you're looking for. Now, the second accessory that I want to talk about is a good quality cable. Now, there's a lot of cables out there. Again, if you go to your local music shop, you're going to see ones that cost $5 to $10 and the ones that cost $50, $75, even $100. You may find yourself saying, well, what's the advantage? Why would I spend that much just on a guitar cable? Well, I'll tell you right now, you don't need to spend $100, but if you cheap out and you get one of those real inexpensive cables, so, you know, something in that $5 to $10 price point, what you're likely going to encounter is a cable that wasn't manufactured very well. Now, what that means is that wiring on the inside, the more you manipulate the cable, the more you plug it into your instrument and pull it out, that wire is going to degrade. It's going to break, right? And even the connectors themselves, the soldering that holds the connector together, that's all going to be lower quality on a lower quality cable, obviously. And that's going to result in your guitar cable making a whole bunch of nasty crackling noises and then eventually giving up and failing completely. We want to avoid that. So invest in a good quality cable. There's a lot of brands out there, but you're generally going to be looking for something from a respected brand like Diodario or Planet Waves, are 2 of my personal favorites, and you're going to look for something that costs maybe in the $20 to $30 range. This particular cable, again, I've had for 10 years. I've done thousands of shows and studio sessions with it. It's never given up once. Now, another really important accessory, especially for acoustic players, is going to be a great quality capo. Now, capos sometimes get a little bit of flack from the guitar playing community because ideally, if you're a really good guitar player, you should be able to play all your bar chords and play in any key. You should never have to use a capo. However, I think capos are incredibly useful, not just for beginners, because it can make it easy to play in other keys when you're just getting started. However, you can also do some really creative production techniques, as well as some really creative playing techniques by using a capo. But what we want to look for in a capo is just that it is nice and well made. Again, quality materials here. Shouldn't have to pay more than $10 or $15 for a good quality capo, but you want to make sure that the springs in it are nice and stiff. That's going to ensure that when you clamp it onto your neck, it's going to hold the strings against that fretboard super, super well and get you nice, clean tone. Now, the next accessory I want to talk about is a good quality tuner. This is another incredibly important thing for all guitar players to get their hands on. A good quality tuner can help your guitar to sound like this instead of like this. So now, in terms of tuners, personally, I rely on the tuner in my recording software because I mainly do studio work these days. However, a lot of people have taken to liking clip-on tuners. These are small, simple devices that clip right onto the end of your headstock, turn it on, and it's going to show you a little display of whether your string is sharp or flat, as you play through your strings. Again, really, really simple, guys, but something that you don't want to cheap out on. Look to spend maybe $15 to $20 on a good quality clip-on tuner. My personal favorite is Snark brand. Now, the final and I think most underrated accessory that we want to talk about is this little guy. This is a string winder. Now, if you guys have ever had to change your strings, you'll know that sitting there on all 6 of your tuning machines, turning them all the way down, getting the strings off, it's a complicated process. Well, with one of these guys, it's going to make your life a whole lot easier. We have this cool little rotating piece that's actually going to clip on to your tuning machine and allow you to detune the whole thing or tune it back up super, super fast and easy, so you don't have to sit there playing this game for hours and hours on end. We also have this really nifty little string cutter. And once you've got it all stringed up and tuned, you can cut off that excess. And for acoustic players, we have a puller for your bridge pins. So this takes guitar string changes from being a total headache to being super easy and super, super fast. Definitely a must-have for any beginning guitar player. Okay, guys, so there you go. There's 5 fantastic accessories, a little bit more information about them, and some good guidelines on what you guys want to spend. Now, there's a few more obvious ones like strings and picks, but that gets a lot more into personal playing preference, what kind of music you're interested in playing. That's why I didn't cover those here. There's lots of other great resources to learn about how to choose strings, how to choose picks, all that kind of stuff. I'm mainly more focused on the accessory side of things here. So in any case, I hope that was super helpful for you guys. We are doing an awesome giveaway of an accessory bundle that includes one of each of the 5 items I just talked about. We've got a killer Capo courtesy of Kaiser. We have a Diodario cable as well as a Diodario Pro string winder. We've got a clip-on tuner from Snark, and finally an awesome quality leather strap from Levi's. If you head to the description below, there's going to be a link there that's going to take you over to JamPlay.com. Just put in your name and your email, and that's going to get you into the giveaway. And once we've chosen a winner, we'll contact you directly and get this accessory bundle shipped out to you. This is a fantastic little package worth over $100. All the items are super high quality, hand selected by yours truly to make sure that you're going to get good quality items that are going to last you for hopefully all, if not most of your guitar playing career. So definitely, again, check the description down below, head over to the JamPlay website, sign up for that giveaway. You do not want to miss out. So that's going to do it for this gear guide. Thank you guys again so very much for watching. My name is Alex Scott with JamPlay.com. Don't forget to subscribe, click that notification bell, and we will see you in the next one.